Ever wondered how to turn Rs5000 into a fortune? Let's break it down. Hey there, young professionals. Ever heard of SIP calculators? They're super handy tools that help you estimate the future returns of your mutual fund investments. So, here's a simple example. Imagine you invest Rs5000 every month for 10 years, with an expected return of 12%. An SIP calculator shows your investment could grow to a whopping Rs11s, 6 lakh. That's the magic of compound interest working for you. But wait, there's more. Using SIP calculators online can help you plan better and adjust your investment goals. It's like having a mini financial advisor at your fingertips. Now here's the fun part. Watch till the end because we've got a surprise worth Rs21,000 in financial calculators just for you. All you need to do is subscribe to Delta Edge. Send us a WhatsApp screenshot and claim your amazing offer. Ready to take control of your financial future? Hit that subscribe button now and start planning with SIP calculators today.